Hi guys, welcome to a new location. Welcome to the 8th episode of the first season of the France Travel Vlog series. Today we are here in the beautiful city of Menton. Menton is one of the many pearls in the south of France. It's located on the French-Italian border between the Italian Riviera and Monaco and is the gateway to glamorous French Riviera. Stroll through the streets with the colorful houses and historic buildings, but also enjoy the beauty of nature. Due to its special location between the mountains and the sea, Menton has the most hours of sunshine in France. This makes it the only place in France where lemons grow on trees. That's why Menton is sometimes called the city of lemons. There is no escape. Everywhere you see something with a lemon character. Vieux Menton is the beautiful historic center of Menton, where you can stroll around for hours through the picturesque winding streets with colorful old facades. In some streets you have the beautiful view of the blue azure sea and the beaches, and after your stroll you can sit and relax on one of the many terraces that you can find in the old town.
We're supposed to go to...
An unmissable sight in Menton is the Basilica Saint-Michel-Archange, a beautiful Baroque-style building with a yellow and green light facade. It's also the most beautiful and largest church in the region. In honor to the golden citrus fruit, Menton has been organizing the traditional Fête du Citron or Lemon Festival since 1934. Every year for 3 weeks the city and its gardens are celebrating the lemons. To maximize the magic and joy of this colorful celebration, the streets of Menton are filled with parades, concerts, exhibitions and spectacles.
to the silence, I can't show what it is I've been fighting on my own. And I know, and I know, and I know, and I know. We're something to remember endless.
So that's it for me here in Menton. I hope you don't mind the low level of excitement today, because I feel really sick. That's the reason, but I think it's really worth a visit, Menton. It was beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and a reaction in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel LAWCATION, and I will see you again in the LAWCATION. Ciao!
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.